Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Mike, aka Scarfinger, aka PTCAC representative, and I'm back and I'm going to do a painting. Now, I've been plotting on this painting, and actually a series of paintings, for quite some time, and this painting is probably not going to be one that's for sale. These are for me. Long story short, I moved and I need some art for myself, so I am going to put together some basically mostly metallics, and I'm going to try to make some paintings basically for my living room. So I know y'all gonna have to bear with me a little bit. It's been quite some time since I actually did one of these, so if I mess up, that's probably, it's gonna be par for the course until I get back on the horse a little bit. So I'm just gonna run over what colors and stuff that I'm using. I'm going to use some black, Master's Touch black, Master's Touch silver, and I'm using Master's Touch antique gold. This is going to be the main color that I'm using. The main color that I'm using is going to be the antique gold. And then I have some Artist Loft copper. Like I said, I'm really leaning into the metallics here. And then for my white, I'm gonna use some metallic white. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the thing where I put like a paintbrush or something like that in the middle. I'm gonna pour in the middle, let it go to both sides, and then I'm gonna tilt. And then I'm going to I'm gonna dirty cup it. I'm gonna try not to use a whole lot of I'm gonna try not to use like a ton of black and a ton of white. I really want the gold more than anything, because the gold is what's gonna mean more to what I'm going for. But I also have paneling in my living room, so that's where like the copper kind of comes in, because it's a little bit, it's wood paneling, so it's gonna kind of go with that a little bit. So that's going to be more of like an accent color, but I really want to kind of lean on the gold. So I'm going to, get myself together, and I'm going to get this thing popping. I hope you enjoy. Here we go. so here we go. I messed up. I kind of did some things and I'm not really a huge fan of how it turned out. It's still going to work for what I need it for because there's still more paintings to make, but it didn't quite work the way that I wanted it to work. So let's start here, because what happened was I don't think this table is very level. So when I started tilting this one first, it basically, all of the paint from this one started to run off in the middle. And so because I did this one first, I coated it before the paint ran off, and this one had a lot more paint on it. So it's a lot better of a situation. I'm trying to balance out the thing with the light. It kind of looks like some sort of a rock. It has a very natural look to it, which I do kind of dig. Lots and lots and lots and lots of cells. Lots of cells. I don't know if that's something that I was really that interested in, but kind of worked out. And then over here, like I said, I had a lot that ran off. So I had to kind of deal with what I had left. I did have more gold here, and that was really the goal. So this one kind of looks a little bit more of what I was looking for personally, but I'm going to make it work regardless. So we're going to go past there, and yeah, I think I'm going to make it work. And then I'm going to go back to the drawing board because I have some more paintings to make, and I'm going to try some different techniques so I can get different things out of it. Do the things like share, subscribe, everything will be down in the description. And yeah, I'm happy to be back, and I'm going to be doing more of these. I'm going to be doing more for myself, and I'm seriously contemplating possibly doing another painting a day for October, or possibly trying to do like one a week for October, but trying to do like a good one. There's also another idea that I haven't quite gotten clarification on, but when I do, I'll let you know. Thank y'all, and I'm happy to be doing paintings again. Still got candles and wax melts at the site. Link in the description, and peace out.